It's FX Tips Studios again. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and for all the content that you need to successfully trade in the forex markets. Do not also forget to usually use our website, the FX Tips Studios website, for any kind of information updates, daily updates and analysis, market ideas. And the good thing is you can find the charts there to do analysis from, as you also read analysis from other traders. I encourage you to visit the link in the description below to the website of the fxtipstudios.com. Today we are going to see on how to stop losing money unnecessarily in the markets. Now, many times people have lost money not because they are bad traders, not because they don't know what they are doing, but because of some few reasons here and there, you find that people do lose money. So today we are going to see on how to stop losing money unnecessarily. And if I touch anything that you've been doing, and if I point out on anything that you've been doing in markets, probably you would change to the right track. First of all, the brokers. You find someone using a broker that does not respect their limits, that does not have good trading conditions. So if you do have a bad broker, you will not know how your progress is. I mean, you will not know when you are wrong or when you are right, because you lose money even when you are right, and you will still lose money even when you are wrong. So always make sure you have a good broker. If you want to find good brokers, you could go to our website and find the best brokers page. You find a list of regulated brokers there. We do include them there. You can choose any broker, because for us we first test them for a long period of time and see how they do deliver their conditions. So you can trust those brokers because they have good trading conditions. Two, some traders lose money just because they don't know which type of traders they are. For example, someone's emotions may not allow them to trade. Many traders do not consider using stop losses and take profits. These are good limits used in the markets, because when you use stop losses and you take profits, even when anything happens, anything can happen while we're in markets. So you can forget to use the take profit, but never forget to use a stop loss. At least take it somewhere. Even if you're not going to use it, focus on it, put it somewhere under the market, because as you're still trading, news may come in and then it is against you. You are going to see a very long candle taking down your account. But just in case you have a stop loss, you can avoid all these unnecessary losses in market. So you just sit and say, if it reaches this level of loss, it is going to get me out with that kind of loss, and then you will not continue with the losses while the market is going against you. So it is very, very important, and knowing how to place your take profits and stop losses is very important. You can check out that video here. You can click the link up here and check out for that video where you can learn how to perfectly place your stop loss and take profits. Now, if you do follow these things very well, risk management is very important. That's what I talked about know how much you are supposed to risk and how much you are risking for. If you are risking $1 for 2, that's a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. So it means that you are going to risk $1, but you expect to get $2. You're going to risk $10, but you expect to get $20. So that is, if you do always try to polish up your mistakes. Do not repeat mistakes while in the market. So if you trade today, you make a mistake, do not repeat the same mistake tomorrow. If you trade today, make a mistake, do not repeat the same mistake tomorrow. Make sure that the following day you are putting this in practice. This also helps you to polish up your strategy and perfect it up. Yes, it helps you perfect it up, and in any cases, it could be of very great importance that with the time you'll be trusting your trades, and you know what you are doing is on track, all not on track. You know when to risk and when not to risk. So it is always very important to track your records, assess yourself and say, this week I've performed like this, the following week I'm going to perform like this, and you assess yourself. Now, if you put those things in line, and as long as you have a proper strategy, you must get a strategy actually. If you do not have a strategy, we do have our strategy. You can check out you can check out on our fxtipspaybuse.com, and we also have software trading systems that can help you. These have been tested by us over time and they have proven to be good. They do give you alerts. They are not robots. So our trading systems, you install it on your MT4, it gives you alerts. Anytime you're in market, it's just going to give you alerts. Alerts that you can sell from here, you can buy from here on every pair that you do have on your charts that your broker offers. You just wait for notifications, and then when you see those alerts, you can enter your own stop loss and your own take profits. Instead of trading alone, you can also use these systems that we have, these software systems that we have, for you to make the rightful decisions while in market. Now, thank you for watching today's video. Make sure that everything you learn, you put it in practice. Do not repeat mistakes. Make sure that you follow proper risk and money management. Make sure that you do not risk what you can't afford to lose. Do not do that, my friends. Do not risk what you cannot afford to lose. And then lastly, I advise you to know your emotions. Control your emotions while in the market. Once you set a stop loss that is proper, with a proper lot size, be sure that it will make the profit or the loss, and you'll be comfortable with that. So emotions are handled that way. Just make sure that you use a lot size that you are comfortable with, that even when it is in loss, you will still be comfortable. While entering your trades, do not only consider that it is going to go in the up, in your direction. If you buy, don't consider that putting this lot because it is going to move only 10 pips above and I'm making $100 in 10 pips. What if it goes 10 pips against you? Will your account still handle that? Will you still be comfortable with that? That should always be the question that you should ask yourself. Therefore, make sure that you put this in practice. Visit the website fxtipspaybuse.com. Just click on the link below and follow up. You subscribe notifications. You can use our charts to do analysis, as you are also seeing analysis from other traders. You can also publish analysis on our site if you trust your trading experience and you know your analysis can help our audience out there. We can also allow you to publish your analysis on our website. Then also you can get their signals. Just go and see there are different signal packages. You can find there also signals from different indicators, and then you subscribe to our signals. You will be receiving signals every day signals. Our signals are being tested and they are up to 80% accurate. Therefore, you can trust them anytime, any day, every time you visit our website. Thank you for today's video. Please subscribe to our channel such that you can always get the notifications in time when anything is posted. Thank you for watching.